Welcome to the Coding Problems series. Today, we are diving into one of the most fundamental data structures in computer science. The binary search tree, often abbreviated as BST, this structure is key to efficient searching and sorting algorithms. Before we get to the search part, let's define a basic binary tree. It is simply a tree structure where every node has, at most, 2 children. These are strictly distinguished as the left child and the right child. This branching structure is the foundation of the logic we will apply next. A binary search tree is a special kind of binary tree. It follows a strict ordering property that applies to every single node in the tree. The rule is simple but powerful. Everything on the left is smaller, and everything on the right is larger. Let's break this down further. The first property governs the left side. For any given node, its left child, and by extension the entire left subtree, must contain values strictly less than the parent node's value. In this example, 30 is less than 50, so it goes to the left. Conversely, the second property governs the right side. The right child and its entire subtree must contain values strictly greater than the parent. Here, 75 is greater than 50, so it is placed on the right. This simple separation is what makes searching so fast. It is crucial to verify that the property holds for every node, not just the immediate children. On the left, we see a valid tree. On the right, we have an error. Notice the node 18. It is a child of 30. While 18 is less than 30, it is located in the right subtree of 20. But 18 is less than 20, so it should have been on the left side of the root. Therefore, the tree on the right is invalid. Why do we care about this structure? Efficiency. In a standard linear list or array, finding a number might require checking every single item, taking linear time, or O of n in a balanced binary search tree. Every step down the tree eliminates half of the remaining possibilities, resulting in logarithmic time, or O of log n. This is significantly faster for large datasets. There are 3 primary operations we perform on a BST search, which is finding a value. Insert, which adds a value while maintaining the correct order. And delete, which removes a value and rearranges the nodes to ensure the tree remains valid. Let's visualize a search for the number 13. We start at the root, 20. 13 is less than 20, so we go left. Now we are at 10. 13 is greater than 10, so we go right. Now we are at 15. 13 is less than 15, so we go left. And there it is. We found our target by following a simple path. To summarize, remember that in a binary search tree, every node has at most 2 children. The left side is always smaller, and the right side is always larger. This structure allows for highly efficient search operations and forms the basis for many complex systems you will encounter in your programming journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.